Hi, this is Olivia Mounts, and this is my week 6 discussion board post over mainstream media bias. So what is media bias? In my own words, I describe media bias as the occurrence of information being reported in a biased, persuasive way, instead of objectively and fully factual. Why is it important to understand the purpose behind the sources you use for information? Understanding the purpose is important so individuals can get credible, unbiased information. When finding sources for information in an academic assignment, it is important to have reliable and factual information to use. It is also important to find sources that are unbiased, so you as the reader can form your own opinion instead of having a pre-made one created by the source. Understanding the purpose behind sources can prevent accidental use of misinformation or biased opinions. Differences between academic research, mainstream media, and social media relating to media bias. Academic research is conducted in a methodical way to establish evidence-based information. Sources are unbiased, informational, factual, and researched rigorously. Those who create these sources analyze facts and examine each other's work, which is also called peer review, to ensure what is being published is academically correct. Media bias is slight to none due to the requirement to appear unbiased. Mainstream media aims to inform the public about issues while making them attention-catching. A very popular mainstream media source is TV news channels. The information shared on these channels can be biased. A large part of bias in mainstream media has to do with political affiliations. So while conservative and democratic news channels may report the same topic, each report may seem completely different. Reporters share their viewpoints, use certain phrases, and emphasize particular views over others to present information that gears more toward a certain audience. Lastly, social media is the most unreliable source to use out of the three, in my opinion. Posts can be made by anyone with any opinion. There's no fact-checking when an individual makes a post, so spreading misinformation can occur extremely quickly. If biased posts are spread that involve false information, people are exposed to this and may be influenced to have a certain opinion based on this false information. Social media and mainstream media are forms of mass media, which can be defined as television, radio, newspapers, magazines, the internet, and other means of popular communications. They reach and profoundly influence not only the elites, but also the masses, which I quoted from the textbook. And a defining word in this is influence. These forms of media are large influence on the public, which completely takes unbiased out the window. And then this is my source. Thank you for listening.